Good morning, boys. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. I'm just going to share the presentation with you real quickly so that we can go through the pronouns. Right. So today's lesson is about pronouns and why do we need pronouns, or what are pronouns? Let's have a look. So pronouns make our speech and our writing less boring, which means you don't have to continually mention the name of the subject or the subject at all every time. I will show you an example in the next few slides. So why do we need pronouns? Let's do an example. I've got here, when Susie arrived at the party, Susie knew Susie had made a mistake. Susie saw that Susie's clothing was not cool enough. So with the use of pronouns, like I said, or as I mentioned, we replace the actual noun or the subject of your sentence, which is Susie in this instance, with a pronoun. And it goes as follows. So your sentence now reads, when Susie arrived at the party, she knew she had made a mistake. She saw that her clothing was not cool enough. Notice that I've highlighted all of the pronouns used in this sentence in a different color so that you can see where the pronoun takes the place of the actual noun or the subject of our sentence. So pronouns you can use anywhere in the sentence as long as it replaces the subject of your sentence, a name of a person, a name of a thing, and we've done nouns, so you ought to know what that is. And then, like I mentioned, pronouns can substitute or take the place of any noun in your sentence or paragraph. And it makes your writing a little less boring, like I mentioned, and it also sounds and flows a bit better. These are just some examples of your pronouns. We've got singular and then we've got plural pronouns. Our nominative pronouns would be the letters I, you, he, she, and it. And if I can make an example, we use the letter I, the word I, when we speak about ourselves. So I am going to the shop, or I arrived at school late today. We use the word you when you're speaking about someone else, the word he when we speak about a male or a boy, and the word she when we speak about a female or a girl, and the word it when we are referring to a non-living thing or something. So a desk, for example, we refer to it as it. The desk is brown, it is also very big. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.